So hi, what's up, guys? Today's topic is what is insurance? Yeah, insurance policy. Like I details, insurance details, all explain you and my personal experience. I will tell you and provide all details. So if you understand, please please see the full video and subscribe this channel. So like insurance policy, first insurance policy. Okay, this means insurance means life demo. Yeah, for help. Insurance policy means help. Okay, so I understand. Example. For example, one man is a debt. I think for example, not for serious, only example. One man is a death. Okay, so this case is a body insurance, not for any other insurance, like policy was an insurance or insurance. So this because body insurance is a this insurance for life, your life is safe. uh, Normal death, one man is normal death, that case is not apply for insurance policy. But accidental case, yeah, for others, otherwise, um, on more more cases for death, so that is a body case. Second example is car insurance. Like car insurance, I hope you better understand car insurance. Because one man one car, I hope ki every home is one car, so I think better understand. Okay, like car insurance policy, like if you buy a one car, no, one new car if you buy, so this car is a insurance policy. If you doing this car is a insurance policy, so any accidental case, any problem, any harm and any damages, this policy, so that call is a insurance policy. Like car insurance policy, in an agreement on government case, accidental case, like car accident, like car damages, harm, etc. Whatever, if you damage on car, so that's damages on rupees money, I think, that is on set of money, like 25,000, 50,000, 1 lakh, or be many, or be more money. Okay. Third example, money in home insurance policy, but this policy is not applicable for on everywhere, every places, because that insurance policy is not must, because no harm in home, no harm, no effect in home. Understand? Because home is also safe and also secure. uh, the case, any other damages, any other loss from your home, so if you purchase, now if you can doing this policy, but before the home damages, for home losses. Okay, so this is the government, one word insurance policy is a government damages. Government, like money, this damage is a money, this damage fulfill is a money. Understand? This is a insurance policy, I hope you understand, because I explain all of you in my experience. So if you're interested to updates like insurance policy, bitcoin, or any other more updates, so please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon, and plus like the video and share also WhatsApp, Facebook, otherwise. Thank you guys.